Okay, this is the division number 2 homework. For this one, it says write the multiplicative inverse for each of the following fractions. Then prove you are correct by multiplying them together. Okay, so the first thing I have to do is change this to improper by doing 6 times 3, which is 18, plus 1, which is 19, and I keep the denominator. Now, the multiplicative inverse is another word for reciprocal. So the reciprocal would be to make 6 as the numerator, 19 as the denominator. If I multiply those together, the 6's reduce, the 19's reduce, and I'm left with 1. All right, let's do the next one. 3 times 4 is 12, plus 1 is 14 over 3. The reciprocal is 3 over 14, and I can reduce on the diagonal, and that would be 1. I'll leave the last one for you guys to do. All right, take a look at the next section. Remember, these are division now, so we still need to change this by making it improper. 9 times 4 is 36, plus 1 is 37 over 9. That's your first step, is just to get the two fractions. Your next step is to keep, change, and then use the reciprocal. Then I need to look on the diagonal. There's nothing that I can reduce, so I'm going to multiply across. 37 times 2 would be 74. And then I can't leave it improper, so I need to say how many times does 9 go into 74? It's going to go in 8 times with a remainder of 2. All right, let's take a look at the next one. The 1/9 is all set. It's going to stay 1/9. But the 2 1/3 I need to change to improper. So I do 3 times 2, which is 6, plus 1, which is 7 over 3. Then I'm going to keep 1/9, change to multiplication, and then use the reciprocal. Then I'm going to look on the diagonals. 3 and 9 can be reduced by 3. And then I'm going to multiply across, and 3 times 7 is 21. Let's do one more together. All right, the 3/4 will stay the same. Then I'm going to change this. 5 times 2 is 10, plus 2 is 12 over 5. Then I'm going to keep, change, and reciprocal. 5 over 12. I can reduce the 3 and the 12 by 3. And then I'm going to multiply across. 1 times 5 is 5. 4 times 4 is 16. All right, I'm going to have you guys finish the last 3.